Hey, thanks for tuning in. I'm Brian. This is Brian Builds. If you're new here, hit the buttons if you like this video, if it helps you. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. All right, what are we working on today? You know that one? We got a Super Duty. Front locking hubs. Let's get to work. Tools you're gonna need: screwdriver, pry bar, a little lube, some pliers, wire brush, and some grease. You can use any grease. I had this laying around, so that's what I'm using. We're gonna pop this off. There's a clip in there. Pull the clip out, pull the hub out, put the new hub in, pop the cover back on. It's just that easy. On this one, the vacuum line, it's vacuum actuated. The vacuum line is broken behind the wheel there, so we're gonna cap it off with these. So we can't use the push button, but we can just turn it to lock it, you know, when the stuff gets heavy and we need four-wheel drive. So you cap it off back here. Right there, we're gonna take that off. It's highly recommended to use one of these, a line wrench. You could get a socket on there. The size is 7/16. Little indents. A little spray lube helps loosen up the rust, so when you hit it with a wire brush, everything comes nice and clean. That looks better. Let's get a thin layer of grease on everything and reassemble and finish this job. You don't need the grease, but if this job ever has to get done again, it'll make it easier to disassemble. There's a green clip on the middle ring here. Don't take it off like I just did. All right, we'll just get that back on there and put the ring back on. There we go. Put a little grease on the cover here where the nuts go in to help keep things fairly rust free. Put a thin layer of grease on the lug nuts also. That's it. Easy job. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Oh, wait. Let's get this plug put on where the vacuum line goes in to keep dust and debris out of the hub. It's a brass fitting going into cast iron, so don't crank it down like Hulk. Just snug it up nice and tight, and you're good to go. Okay, now that's really it. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps. Hit the buttons if you haven't already. Go on and do that. Do that now. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. One more thing we got to do so we don't get a vacuum leak and our pump runs all the time. Let me show you. We got to unhook the four-wheel drive vacuum lines and plug it up. Where is it? Passenger side. Right there. Two hoses. Cap them off. Chopsticks work good. And cap those two off. No leaks in the pump. Thanks for watching. See you later.